I can't really say that I'm surprised, but I am a little sad. Like many of you, I opened my email yesterday and discovered that Adobe is closing down Aero at the end of this year. And as many of you may know, I've been with Aero for a really long time. I discovered it in 2019 and was super excited about the possibilities. I had an art residency at Adobe, knew the whole team. I know this software really, really well, and I've made lots and lots of things on it. And as of December, they're all going to be gone. This actually comes after another death in the industry of Spark AR last December. So a lot of people are losing a lot of work. It's like an erasure of creative history. So what's next? As of November the 6th, they're going to be removing Aero from the app stores, and on December 3rd, all files are going to stop working, and then on December 16th, RIP, all user data will be deleted. So what you need to do before then, go ahead and back up your project files. You can export them and save them. Now keep in mind, there's not going to be an application to run those files, but there is a potential future in which there is a cross-platform XR launcher that will be able to resurrect all of these ancient depreciated project files. Fingers crossed. Also, go ahead and document your project as much as you can. So take videos and still images, and then archive everything into a nice little package and put it in a couple spots, including cloud storage. Make sure that your legacy is protected. What AR applications should you use next? First off, there's Lens Studio, which is brought to you by Snap. And this has honestly been one of my favorite applications for the last 4 years. It's really the most innovative one in the space, and they've really shown consistent commitment to the community and to the software. In fact, they're actually going to be releasing a consumer line of AR glasses called the Spectacles, or the Specs, in the fall. So I really feel like they are in the space for good. Also, they make web AR really, really easy. That means that people can actually access your effects in a browser, so they don't have to download an extra application to actually view your work, which is fantastic. Next up is Eighth Wall, which is brought to you by Niantic. This is a really powerful suite of tools. It also offers web AR. It is more code-based, so keep that in mind. And it can be expensive. Last is lesser known. It's an application called Scenery. And it's been around for a long time. The initial name was Scavenger AR. It's a really great GUI-based AR creator tool. They have GPS capabilities. They have lots of storytelling interactivity sort of built into it. And I've known them for a while, and they've been consistently improving the product. And it's really, really impressive. And you're actually able to run your projects on Scenery on an Apple Vision Pro, which is pretty darn cool that interoperability is there. So tell me in the comments, how are you doing? Are there any apps that you're excited about that you want other people to know about? I would truly love to know, so leave it down below. Hopefully this has been useful for you and gives you sort of a direction to point your AR arrow in. No pun intended, actually. Regardless, I hope you got something from it, and if so, feel free to like and subscribe. I'll be talking about my other XR and art adventures as I continue to explore. So the truth is that software is kind of an inevitable dodo. They do expire, but our creativity never will. So onward to the next tool set. Okay, until next time, happy making.